Okay, good afternoon, everyone, and you're all welcome to this live session. I actually the link was just shared now, and we are going to try to make the class as brief as possible so that we can do other things. And also, for the recording, the link will be shared in the WhatsApp group where everybody can access it later on. So, without wasting much of your time, what we are going to be treating today is actually what we were learning in the last class. What we were learning in the last class. I believe in the last class we were treating if functions and the X lookup, if and or logical statements and all of that. That's what we're handling in the last class. So today we'll be continuing from where we stopped. Then we'll also be learning the sum if, the count if, average if, and also how to we'll be um going into pivot tables also and pivot charts. That's what we'll be treating today. And also the power pivot. We'll introduce that to you. So at the end of the classes, you'll be given. I hope everybody's hearing me. Please, if you can hear me, kindly drop a message in the comment section. You can drop your favorite emoji so that I will know you are hearing me. Now, we are going to provide you with a task at the end of the classes. At the end of the class, a task will be given to you, and we expect you to work on them. That will show how much you really understood all the classes that we've been holding. Yes. Now, also, after the classes, we have an option for advanced classes, which the details for this will be provided in the WhatsApp group on how you can join. Okay, okay, so thank you. Now, I'll try to be more audible. I believe you can hear me now. If you can't hear me, the truth is I don't know if I should raise my voice above the roof, but hopefully everybody will hear me. So, from what I was saying earlier, we'll be treating the last classes, what we were learning in the last class, the if functions and all of that. Now, we'll also talk about power pivot. So now, without wasting much of your time, sharing my screen. I'll be sharing my screen, and a minute, please. Let me just start with um our slide. Let's start with so now I believe we've learned about the if functions, and the last class we ended in the X lookup. That was where we had some network glitch that very day. So we already have the data set we were using earlier for that. I will suggest you refer back to the last tutorial on how to use most of these, the if and, if or. Actually, that very day on when why solar energy for it, and also my network was kind of bad. So the solar went off and my router was bad and classes. So this is what we do. We continue from our nested if. Then we also learn the and we'll learn about discount if, sum if, and average if situations that they are applicable where you can use them. Everybody is hearing me, please. I believe you are hearing me. So now for our nested if, we were saying, let us say, in a situation where you are told to, let's say for result computation, we want to say if this guy got above 70, the grade 70, he should get an A. If it is less than 69, if it's less than 69, that is, if it is within the range of 60 to 69, should be a B. Then from 50 to 59 should be a C, and anything less than 50 should be an F. We usually use the nested if for this. So now, in this case, that very day we were doing something like this. We started with the when you want to start the formula in Excel, you start with equal to. So we want to use the nested if. Now our nested if, we are trying to say if this person got, I think in our last class we just did a little bit of it and we just used one or two if statements here. So what I'm trying to say in essence is you can use up to five. In fact, you can use like your if statement can just continue proceeding until your statements are met. That's what I'm just trying to say. That's why it is called nested if. So here now we are trying to say if this guy, let us, so we want to try this out. We'll use the 214 pay for this. If the 214 pay is above 70, then statement we should return is should be an A, comma, if again, you open another bracket. So I let me put my comma here. You can always try to follow this statement you are giving here, where you are told value if true, value if false. So here I'm trying to make another statement. If that same B12 is, let us say, less than, okay, it's above 60. Let us just say it's above 60. It's above 60. So in this case, this person is going to get a B. Now, comma, if this person is above 50, comma, if again, open bracket. If this person is above 50, we can say this person will get a C. Now, if this person also has a score less than 49, or in fact less than 50, let's just say if open bracket is less than 50, let's just give the person an F, cut the chase. So we give the person an F. Now we can close all our brackets. I hope you get it. We have like 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Then we close it. Our count if. Now when you select this, you are told where is the range. The range where I want it to select from is this guy, which is this. So I can just drag down. You can keep dragging down if you wish to. Now for the criteria is basketball. So you can select basketball. You close your bracket.